folks, it's me again. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little intro to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you're just watching, don't forget to subscribe. It helps in the algorithm. Click all the crap. But subscribing actually does help. I am not monetized yet, and I would like to be monetized. So if you want to help out, subscribe and watch the videos. What's my channel about? My channel is basically me doing what I like to do, whatever the hell I feel like doing. Right now I'm playing with a big red, playing with a bike. I'm tearing it apart, trying to get one bolt out. I do wood projects. I fix stuff in my house. I buy an endless amount of tools. It's getting to the point where I'm going to have to start breaking tools because I need to buy some more. Moving a shop. I got a ton of junk everywhere. My garage looks like crap. There's shit everywhere. I do tool reviews. I buy old tools. I sell some tools. I don't really like selling tools because I like hoarding stuff. I collect old. If you look on the shelf behind me over here, that's the trophy shelf. That's going to be moved. I collect old little vices. I do review on things. I do random stuff. Basically, I fix everyday stuff that breaks in my life. So if you're new to my channel, come check it out. I have a lot of videos. A lot of early ones suck. I apologize for the bad editing. I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. And I admit on most of these projects, this is a learning curve. The reason why I like doing the videos is one, I get to share. Sometimes I get some really good comments. I've had people or machinists tell me excellent things. I do amateur machining on this thing over here, right here. I have a milling machine. It's over there, and I have welders and all kinds of tools and stuff. I'm by no means an expert at what I do. Some stuff I just do a hack job and it works. It's just the satisfaction of doing stuff in life. Because if I'm not one of those people that loves to Netflix and chill. Yeah, I like Netflix. I like watching stuff, but I can't sit still. I gotta use my hands. I think more people should use their hands because people are just becoming sick and whatever. Like, people just need to do something. That's just my opinion. But whether you like to knit, crochet, paint walls, play with chalk, carve stuff, find whatever you like. But I think humans are made to, play with stuff, go hug a tree, walk, go look at animals, something. I think this internet and looking at a gadget like me right now is not doing too much for us. And so right now in my videos, I'm working on cleaning up the shop. I got a bike that's in the way. I have another tool I really got to put back together before I buy old tools at things. I record some of my adventures. I don't know. I have a bunch of anvils. I got a bender and all kinds of stuff. So if you like hands-on stuff, there's no real theme to my channel. It's just kind of like a vlog of what I do. And my bench is a mess. My mind is a mess. Everything's a mess. I'm getting rid of one of my gadgets. We're like typical male. I'm gonna buy some more, fix some stuff. And so if you're here and you're watching this and you watch to the end, thanks for watching. All my subscribers, I appreciate it. I never thought I'd get past 100 subscribers. If you like something, click likes. It'll get thrown around the algorithm. Watch the whole videos. For anybody's channel, everybody out there, if you can, try to watch the whole video. It helps with the algorithm. I know sometimes it's boring, but open another window, just let it play. That's what I do to people's videos. It helps. And just thanks for the time. So far, I'm a little more to. There's 2 steps in monetization. I'm close to the first one. I need about 2,000 hours for the normal monetization. So what's that mean? I'll probably make a few bucks. I keep telling myself, if I make enough to order a pizza, I'll be happy. Maybe a couple of screwdrivers. If I make a lot of money, I'll buy a Sherman tank and restore it. Not really. I don't have time. I don't have the equipment to restore a tank, but I would like one just sitting in my yard so I could sit on and whatever. It's my goal. Win the lottery, buy a tank. If I win the lottery, there will be signs. There'll be a big tracked vehicle in my driveway. I want it as a flower pot. That's what I want. I want to just sit there and look at it. I mean, people can sit there and look at the rose garden. I can look at a tank. Besides, gotta buy one soon. There's not many left out there. They're all being gobbled up by collectors. Or if they're not, they're sitting in a field getting blown up. So anyway, thanks for subscribing. Toodles.